Going on, YouTube? Been a while since I made a video out here at the cabin. Brought the dogs out here. They love come out here, run around, play. But I want to give y'all a little update on some things we've done. You know, we've added some things. It's come a little ways. I wouldn't say a long ways, but it's better than it was. We got a little junky fire pit out here. We got us a little barrel stove going on out here, so you can cook on, or your fire, all that good stuff. We've got some firewood out here. We added on to the deck. My buddy added on the deck. I'm not real sure why he ran the boards that way. I guess he was decided to be lazy. Instead of running them, to match. I guess that means he'd have to cut more, but whatever. It's free. Didn't have to pay for none of that wood. Got that for free. I'm trying to think if we had that little overhang there last time in the gutter. Let's see what else we got. We got over here, we built a shooting table. We got out here. Do some shooting across the lake. Put some targets out there and do some shooting. This is probably one of the biggest things we've done is we got a rainwater catch. Don't tell the government, but apparently that's illegal, whatever. But we got a gutter up there. Only money we got in this is the PVC. The container was free, and it fills up pretty quick too. So it comes in handy. It's good for washing hands, washing stuff off. I wouldn't drink it, without treating it, But I think we put bleach in there every now and then to try to keep it from stagnating. We got a front door in here now, completely free. We put mirror tint on all the windows, which comes real handy at night. It's just a little more, for me, sleeping in there at night, it's just a lot nicer knowing nobody can see in there, but I can see out and see everything. So I do like that. So in case somebody tries to trespass or something, they can't see you in there. We got some speakers, new speakers out here, new surround sound. We got LED spotlights. We got a little light there. Got some antlers. Can't remember if we had that wood on there last time. That's some old barn wood. We still hadn't finished it yet. Go inside. Oh. Come here, dogs. Hey. Hey. Y'all come here. Major. Daggum dogs, they want to run off all the daggum time. Crazy. Y'all stay around here, okay? Alright, let's see. What we got changing here? I can't remember if we had lights last time. I don't think we did. We got switches. We got some pretty bright LEDs in here. It ain't dark, so you can't really tell, but it's pretty bright. There's a little carpet. We had a bunk up here, but nobody ever really used it. It took up a lot of space, so we took it down. That's what the ladder's for. And we just built some storage on all the corners, keep all our, propane, and all our cookers and, gun shooting stuff, skeet thrower, all that grill, all that good stuff up there. So that's good storage. We got a little corner table here. We got some propane out here that we can run. Hook our grills up to. Or at night, I got a Mr. Buddy heater. I'll move this thing outside, and then you put your heater in here if you want. Got a little fan. I don't think anything's changed with the solar system. I think that's about the same as it was last time. Once again, all that was free except for the CD player and the inverter. Batteries are free, panels free, solar panel on the roof was free, all that good stuff. So one of our main goals of building this thing is just try to use what we can and what we can find and what we can get and what people will give us, because there ain't no sense in spending a lot of money, stuff like this, in my opinion, especially if you ain't got it, So it's just the best way to do it. We got a little gun rifle holder here. That's my new little toy. My new little AR-47 side charger I just built. Pistol. Man, that thing's fun to shoot. yeah, I keep that up here whenever we camp out. But yeah, I like to come out here just me and the dogs, man. Just me, I'll run a cot right here, and the dogs will sleep on the carpet, and there's plenty of room for us. Um, Not much more room than that. You could probably sleep two people in here. Maybe if you put a mattress down or something like that. But I think that's about it, guys. Just want to do a little quick run around, show y'all what's changed. Ain't much change. It's still ratty, but hey, man, it holds together. It don't leak. You know, it's for what we use it for. It's good. I don't live out here. You know, but if I had to, I could by myself at least. I had to. Um, but that's it. Oh, yeah, we got us a little garbage finally. Got us some wood and a little wood splitting thing. Garbage can probably about full. Ooh, dang. Yeah, need to throw that away. Bunch of crap. We don't get pickup out here where we at, so I don't know how we're gonna dump that. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Just wanted to give y'all a little update. A couple people have commented, wants know if anything's changed, and this is what we got so far. We got a little makeshift awning too that we use a tarp we put out here when it gets real sunny. We don't leave it up though because the rain or the wind might knock it down. But anyway, guys, that's it. Oh yeah, we're saving up wood right now. We're planning on adding 10 foot to this to make it a 18 by 8. I don't know which way we're gonna run the 10 foot, that way or that way. I'd prefer to run it that way. But that's in the future. That's the plans. I appreciate y'all watching, guys. Y'all have a good day.